So hi, we have reached Pipla Chowki out here. At Pipla, if you see, we are doing the solar installation at the Chowki itself. There is a borewell out here. We are in the mid of the village here, and from here, we are around 2 kilometers. We are giving water to a water body and an anicut. This will help actually the animals who are coming into the village and causing the conflict during summer's time. It will stop the animals inside the forest and it will reduce the conflict out here. It's a big water body, we'll show you. So it will be very helpful for the villagers as well, because the animals will not come inside, and it will be good for the animals also, because the leopards and hyena regularly venture into the village out here, and it creates a lot of conflict here. So it will be a very good thing that we are doing here at Pipla Chowki. Thank you.